Hello, I'm Prashant Sukla, and the topic for today is sector rotation and thematic investing. So, sector rotation is a strategy where the investors shift their capital between different sectors of the economy based on where we are in the economic cycle. So, as the economy evolves, the investors rotate their money into different sectors which are expected to generate the most benefit. The rotation is driven by firstly the inflation, the interest rate, the growth expectation, and the four phases that the businesses move are usually the recovery phase, the expansion phase, the peak phase, and the recession phase. And each phase has a winner sector. So, like in the recovery, we have the auto and consumer sector, consumer discretionary. Then in the expansion phase, we have the industrial or the tech capex linked stocks as the winners stock. In the peak we have the commodities, energy, and the material stocks. Then in the recession we have the pharma, we have the FMCG, and the consumer utilities. Now in the early, like 2020, during the COVID, the pharma and the IT stocks peaked, which was likely during a recession. So HNI and investors, like institutional investors, they use macro indicators such as the GDP data, the PMI data, the rate hikes to anticipate the turning point beforehand in order to shift their exposure ahead of time. Now, thematic investing, on the other hand, focuses on the long term structural investment, long term trends, and not just the cycle itself. Common themes are the EV revolution, the green energy, AI, cloud, and China one, or moving from the China manufacturing shift. So these are all different trends that people might hop into, and these are long term structural changes. We can also combine both of them, the thematic and the sectoral investing, to get a diversified portfolio with the core allocation in the thematic world and the tactical allocation based on the sectoral investing. Thank you.